Viewers, I am Dr. Farooq Hussain, homeopathic consultant and have been practicing for more than 25 years, helping individuals cure their ailments through homeopathy. Viewers, welcome to my homeopathic medicine channel. Viewers, today I shall describe and show eye flutters, homeopathic treatment, homeopathic medicine for watery eyes. Eye flutters are something very common eye condition for many people visiting their doctors. Eye flutters can make your vision interrupted, stopping vision will be expired as a result of this kind of condition. Watery eyes may occur as result of excessive tears production, inflammation or inadequate drainage of normal tears. Some of them are drainage of the eyes, allergies and infection. Eye flutters cause an interruption in your vision. Find some disturbing eye flashes when you see something. Peripheral vision gets diminished and you will find sharp eyes flashes that are pretty disturbance. Most we see in software engineers or people who are using a laptop, mobile phones, etc. Eye flutters can be caused due to any disease or the normal aging process. The other vision is glaucoma cataract. This is why the person can develop flutters. Even molecular degeneration can cause flutters in front of the eye. Here is some cause of eye flutters affected your ability to see. Number 1, inflammation. Number 2, bleeding. And number 3, age-related changes. In a majority cause, eye flutters arise due to age-related changes that appear vitreous inside the eyes. Some factors including diabetes, mellitus injury to the eye, and nearsightedness raise the risk of the eye flutters. Eye flutters may also be a part of aura in cause of migraine. Homeopathy is known as the best and highly effective way treating eye flutters. As homeopathy is a completely non-surgical procedure, there are no risks and side effects. There are many homeopathic medicine and eye drops that are usually recommended for getting rid of the unwanted symptom or side of the eye flutters. Viewers, we don't go through the description. Homeopathic treatment is symptom treatment. Treat the patient, not the disease. Now I shall describe homeopathic treatment, eye flutters or homeopathic medicine for watery eyes. Number 1. Eye flutters when a person complain of black spots floating before eyes. Apart this, it is also worked in case where a person sees spots like flashes of lights or red dots. This may be attended with diminish the sight and looking at the bright, shining object also worsen the complaints. There may be short-sighted colored spot before the eyes. A migraine attack also indicate. The needed for the phosphorus. Phosphorus works task, physical or mental exertion to lights, warm food or drink, sense of weather from getting wet in hot weather and evening. Number 2. Eye flutters where a person see zigzag lines for the eyes. Eyes appear wet, tears. This may be attended with diminish the vision. Some people may also experience double vision. Worse warm room, mental exertion, heat. In these cases, give Natrum Mur. Number 3. Eye flutters that seem like brown spots. Intolerance to light in the eyes may be present. Weakness of sight along with grey spots in the eyes. Worse warmth in any form and better cold and pressure. In these cases give Argentum Nitricum. Eye splatters that person sees various changeable spots before eyes. The changeable spots include yellow spots, green spots and glittering needle-like spots. Other types of spots including flickering of lights and fiery specks. Dim vision, worse on walking, open air, evening, sitting, standing and cold water with spots before eyes. In these cases give Cyclamen. Eye splatters in case of myopia, the person sees flashes of light before the eyes. Pain after using eyes is a prominent feature with flutters. In these cases give Physostigma. Diplopia from traumatism, muscular paralysis, retinal hemorrhage, flickering before the eyes, a heaviness of the eyes also with headache may be present. Worse, listas, motion, rest, wine, damp and cold. Better laying down or with head low. In these cases, give arnica. Arnica is useful for treating case of eye flutters where the history and eye injury is present. Throbbing deep in eyes on laying down, pupils dilated, eyes feel shallow and protruding, standing brilliant, conjunctiva, red, dry, burn, photophobia, shooting in eyes, sensation as if eyes were half closed. Flashes of lights may also be seen before eyes. Burning in eyes and lacrimation may be present. Photophobia or dimness of vision is another accompanying feature. Road stars, jar noise, drought, afternoon, laying down, better semi-erect. In these cases, give Belladonna. Belladonna is beneficial for eye flutters in the case of eyes inflammation. Eye flutters that get worse while reading, eye may be black, blue or green in color or bright specks. Sharp stitching pain in the eyes may also be present on shutting eyes. Painful sensation of light penetrating the brain, worse from soup and coffee. Better in warm weather. In these cases, give a Calcarea. Number 10. Excessive head perspiration. There are a lot of severe, a bit fair and floppy body nature and they have a little pain under the feet, especially on the walking in the morning and a tendency for constipation. So, Calcarea carb is useful. By this kind of medicine, we can clear the eye splatters. Number 11. Different vision issue can be effectively dealt by this ingredient, like veiled vision, spots, glare, light blurring sticks, and others. Women who are overworked, overstrained, continuously have to migrate the household work and office work and they are under so much pressure that they have a look after their children, husband-in-law and is so much of pressure that they develop this kind of eye issue can come up. In these cases give sepia because sepia is useful medicine for eye flutters. Number 12. Tremendous eye pain due to eye flutters, spots or cloudiness can be reduced to the great extent with the constant usage this ingredient. Inflammation of eyelids, ulceration, vision impaired, as if film were before eyes, paralysis is occur, ocular, muscular after exposure to cold. In these cases give Causticum. Number 13. Eye flutters with lacrimation, flickering, must wipe eyes frequently, object, look shade, muscular asthenovia, double vision, better only bending head backward or walking in the open air during rest. In these cases, give Senega. External use. Viewers, we can use Cineria maritima and Euphrasia are the other useful remedies for external use. Cineria maritima. This is one of the leading homeopathic ingredients that are quite helpful in supporting eye circulation. All kind of eye toxins are completely removed as a result of which eye flutters and vision difficulties can be prevented. Number 2. Euphrasia. Traditional eye tonics are usually created with use of this particular ingredient, and this is the reason it is a greater importance for curing eye flutters. Advice. To treat this, you need to wash eyes frequently by using prescribed remedy within 5 to 7 days. You should have a relief on the watery eyes. Whenever you are sitting in front of the computer or television or mobile phone, use a pair of anti-reflecting coating glass. Viewers, homeopathic treatment is alternative mental state of the patient. So listen the video initially and choose the medicine carefully. Viewers, thank you for watching my video. If you get any benefit, please like, comment, share, subscribe my homeopathic medicine channel. Thank you.